kids! Welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter L. Are you ready? Let's go! L for lion. Lion. L for lemon. Lemon. L for leaf. Leaf. L for lamp. Lamp. Let's repeat it again. L for lion. L for lemon. L for leaf. L for lamp. L for lollipop. Lollipop. L for ladder. Ladder. L for ladybug. Ladybug. L for lock. Lock. Let's repeat it again. L for lollipop. L for ladder. L for ladybug. L for lock. L for leaf. Leaf. L for lake. Lake. L for log. Log. L for lamp. Lamp. Let's repeat it again. L for leaf. L for lake. L for log. L for lamp. L for lips. Lips. L for leg. Leg. L for light. Light. L for line. Line. Let's repeat it again. L for lips. L for leg. L for light. L for line. L for lamp. Lamp. L for lion. Lion. L for lizard. Lizard. L for leaf. Leaf. Let's repeat it again. L for lamb. L for lion. L for lizard. L for leaf. You've learned the letter L today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, L for lion. What is this? That's right, L for lemon. What is this? Wow, L for leaf. What is this bright thing? Yes, L for lamp. Yummy and sweet, what is it? Yes, L for lollipop. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter M.